Oh no! My bank account? I need to fix this now!
Hehehe. Panic first. Think later.
Stop! If it looks real, they'll believe it.
Profit.
Stop! Don't click anything yet. Warning! Suspicious sender detected. Real companies don't rush you with fake emergencies.
Always check the sender, spelling, and links.
What? He didn't click. So, not every email is trustworthy. Exactly. Think before you click. Security tip activated.
I need a new job.
Can somebody let me out? So, not every email is trustworthy. Security tip
I need
activated.
a new job.
Can somebody let me out?